watch me, just follow every move.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Hi guys! So we're at the Nairobi National Museum. Yeah, so we're going to check this out now. Guys, so we just finished exploring the museum. Now we're going to the snake center. It's amazing. The museum was actually amazing. It was pretty massive, very big, and then they had lots of history in them. I hope you'll be able to see the video because I was told that our booths were not allowed to record, but I was able to sneak in some videos, so I hope that comes out well. And now let's go and see the snake park and see what that has to offer. So see you guys in a bit, and do not forget the thumbs up and to subscribe if you're coming to my channel for the first time.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't